Just follow me, Patty, whatever. Siéntate.
How are you today?
Fucking cheap bastard. Now. Dude.
John, sit your butt down.
Mike.
Sit your ass
Oh,
down.
you gonna record now? Time. No? I wanted to tell you so.
Hey, Gatsby.
Close your eyes.
Last time someone did this, you were proposing.
Yes.
Nope, nope, just leave him on. I had the zip ties and the fire poker.
I have rope.
Justin, I thought you were supposed to bring the gun.
No, that's Justin.
Your head's sweaty, dude.
Fine, I'll bring a gun.
got out of work. What do you expect?
What's work?
I think it's something that you do. Oh, sorry.
You ready? Are you ready? Are you ready?
So, buddy, ready to rock and roll? Awesome, dude. Nice. Me the guy made a bet. It was kind of cheap.
You're not supposed to tell them that for their birthday present, you idiot.
I don't really care. This is awesome, man.
You're not supposed to tell them that.
This is awesome, buddy.
Hey, you know what that means, right? You can play Rockfish with me now. I'll go get the court if you want. Hell, I'll get you the game. So you can sit there and play base all day.
That is awesome.
Yeah, that actually really took out the car. I like how these things are shaped.
Alright, it's better play.
You want me to tune him for you?
Sure. I have no idea how. So, you're gonna have to show me.